In this video, we are going to learn about sales funnel for real estate. So if you are a real estate agent and you want to start creating your sales funnel for your business, or you are just a random person and want to learn about sales funnel, stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you step-by-step process which you can follow and copy and paste in your business. And I'm also going to show you real estate example, like real estate funnels which you can copy in your business. And I'm also going to give you pre-built real estate funnels which you can just copy on your site with few clicks. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video and start learning about sales funnel for real estate. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu and I welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to give me a comment if you like or dislike my video so that I can improve my videos in the future. So in this video, we are learning about sales funnel for real estate. So before we go deep into this video, let's talk about what is sales funnel. So sales funnel is a simple process which helps us in converting a prospect into a buying customer. So the sales funnel is going to do the same for your business. Sales funnel is going to convert a prospect into a buying customer. So now let me take you to my screen and show you exactly step-by-step process, sales funnel process which you can follow for your real estate business. As you can see in the screen, this is the simple sales funnel process. I have created this simple PDF so you can understand the process. So the first part of the sales funnel process is getting attention. Now what I mean by getting attention? Attention means going in front of the people. You can do this by creating content related to your business. You can create videos, you can create images related to your business. You can do it, you can start creating content on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want, right? But if you want, you can also start running ads. And if you will be running ads, you can target specific audience, like a specific age group in a specific city in a specific time. So you have a lot more advantage from the competitor. So the first part is running ads. You start running ads on Facebook and you go in front of the people, you show your ads to the people, and then when someone will like your image or want to know more about the house, they will click on your ad and they will go to the second step, which is your landing page. Now in this page, we squeeze information. Now in this page, we take their email address, their name, their phone number, so we can follow up with them in the future. Even though if they don't buy the product, if they don't book the appointment with you, we can still follow up with them, because in this step of the funnel, we squeeze information. Because they are interested in your ad, they are going to give you their email address in return of the information of that house. They want to know more about that house, and now you are just asking them to give their email address in return of that house information. So in this page, we are going to ask them about the information, okay? And once they have given us the details, we are going to start following up with them. Now we can send them emails, we can give them a SMS, we can also send them Facebook messages through Facebook Messenger. This is a totally different process. I will create a video on that later on. And we can also give them a call because we have their phone number, and then we follow up to book an appointment with them. Now not everyone is going to book an appointment in your first mail, or not everyone is going to book the appointment, but we still have the information and we can still send them mail one after one in the future. not everyone is going to book your call, but still we have the information, we have their details, their email address, and still we can market them in the future whenever we want. And the more bookings we get, the more we close. So this is the simple sales funnel process we use to collect leads for real estate and also follow up with them to start booking appointment so we can close them in that appointment. So let me show you a real example of people doing the exact same thing which I am showing to you. So this is a page, this is a Facebook page related to real estate, and what they are doing is they are creating content related to real estate. What you can do is you can start creating content related to real estate, or you can start running ads on Facebook literally right now. Okay, both have their own advantages, pros and cons. Creating content will take time, but if you start running ads, you can literally do it right now. Okay, so let me show you what they are doing. They are creating content. What they are doing, they are uploading images of houses, and they are also giving us option to visit the landing page. Now this is the first step. They are going to get the attention. Now when someone will click on this page, they are going to take us to this landing page. Now what they are doing in this landing page is they are giving us option to search the zip code or city. So if we write any zip code, they are going to ask us about our details. Now they are asking us our first name, last name, phone number and email address. So this is what they are doing. They are showing us their content, they are running ads, and then when someone will click on their ad, they are taking them to the landing page where they are capturing leads, where they are capturing leads, and they are collecting information so they can follow up with us in the future. Okay, so once we give them all the information, they are going to email us and try to book an appointment with us. So you can do the same thing in your real estate business. What you just need to do is you just need to create a simple process, a simple landing page. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how you can create it without any technical knowledge. Okay, so you just need to create a landing page, and then everything is automated, and you just need to start running ads, and when someone will click on your ad, you will take them to your landing page, and from there you will collect the leads. And then once you have collected the leads, you can give them a mail, you can give them a call if you collect the phone number. Okay, so if you are the one who don't have any technical knowledge and want to create sales funnel for your business, there is a software called ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is basically a software which helps us in creating sales funnel without any technical knowledge, any advanced technology. It's just a drag and drop software, and even a 13-year-old boy can create a sales funnel by using ClickFunnels. And they will also teach you how you can create a sales funnel very easily. Okay, so I have dropped the link in the description where you can go and take your 14 days free trial for ClickFunnels. And if you start your 14 days free trial of ClickFunnels from the link in the description, I'm going to give you pre-built 14 funnels for every business, and it will also include real estate funnel. So if you are a real estate agent and you want a pre-built proven real estate funnel, I'm going to give it to you for free, and you can have it on your site. The whole funnel will be pre-built and it is proven, it is already tried and tested, and you can have it on your site with a single click. So you just need to take your 14 days free trial and give us a mail, and we'll get back to you and give you all the pre-built funnels, and it will also include a real estate funnel. And we are also giving you one-on-one consulting call with me, where I am going to help you with your problems in your business. And this is not going to be forever. I am giving this bonus because I have created this new YouTube channel, and for my first few videos I'm going to give this bonus to the people who take the ClickFunnels trial with my link. I hope you have got some value from this video, and if you have got some value, please give me a comment, or if you haven't got any value, please leave a comment so I can learn and create better content in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till now, and I see you in the next one. Thank you so much.